Hello everyone, and the light is not necessary. S6 Edge Plus. It's sad. I even got its box. Cool. But what I also had is displays for the S6 Edge. This one, which looks good, no cracks or anything by the looks of it. And this one, which is kind of sad and probably bad. So I ain't gonna use this. Yeah, I may actually just use this frame because it's like brand spanking new. Or you know what, we actually may use this frame since it's brand spanking new. Yep. It also has a frame on it, but that's used and disgusting. Filthy, not good. Smells like a decent I use this brand new frame, and this is not so brand new, but brand new looking display for this S6 Edge, which works the board fine. So we're gonna replace it. And what's funny about it is that its back just does not stick, even though there's adhesive here and here. It's somehow split in the middle, but sure. I guess I'll also later on have to order a new back glass for this in blue. This is gold and it's nice. The screen's blue, it does not work like that. Unless you talk about the S6, where the screen is white and the back is gold, and that works like that. Don't ask me. No. Of course I can't find half the things. Let's open it up first. Now I don't really know if I'll sell it or keep it. Maybe I'll keep it around for a bit and then sell it. I know. But either way, I still need to replace the display. I'll get that sooner or later. The battery is not spicy. Very good, very nice. And what we actually want to do is test the display to see if this entire video has a point even in being made. Power button contacts are here. There we go. It's a big purple and white glob of something. Very nice. There's a hair on the camera. Don't make that mistake again. What does that mean? I don't know. Oh no. There's actually a big purple glob of something. Yeah, that's not nice. Can I disable the fucking talkback crap? Oh yeah, the buttons are still down. Back. It's in Polish too. I don't understand. Yeah, this one has a big ass spot. Not great. Not great. Ooh, and this display. I don't know. I actually see the golden one, just in case that's something different. See, that's why no one wants to buy and test the displays, because they may turn out crap. Yeah, that's even more dead. Well, I guess we don't really have a choice. Yeah. Different color, who cares? Yeah, it happens sometimes, but it's fine otherwise. Just don't pay attention. Procedures. We add so much plastic everywhere. Yeah, I kind of added some of my adhesive and made all the adhesive kind of sticky again. The phone works. And now we need to cure the adhesive. See you later.